Hey guys, welcome back to my channel LearnyMind, and in this video I am going to tell you important rivers in the world. I will be telling you 10 most important rivers of the world in detail. So without wasting our time, let's begin. So starting with number 10, River Danube. The Danube is the second longest river in Europe after Volga. It is located in Central and Eastern Europe. It has a length of 2,850 kilometers. The Danube runs through the largest number of countries in the world. Brigach and Berg are the sources of River Danube, and it flows to the Black Sea. Number 9. River Ganges or Ganga. The Ganges or Ganga is a trans-boundary river of Asia which flows through India and Bangladesh. Gangotri Glacier is the source of River Ganga. The river rises in the western Himalayas in the Indian state of Uttarakhand and ends at Ganga Delta. It has a length of 2,510 kilometers. The Ganga is the holy river of Hinduism. The Yamuna River is the largest tributary of Ganga, which rises from Yamunotri Glacier. The Ganga River is the lifeline of India. It provides 40% of water to the Indian population. It is a source of irrigation for a wide variety of crops. The Ganges Basin has fertile soil which provides a perfect agricultural economies of India and Bangladesh. Number 8. River Mekong. The Mekong River is located in East and Southeast Asia. It is 12th longest river in the world and 7th longest river in Asia. It has a length of about 4,350 kilometers. The Mekong River's source is Lesagongma Spring and it ends at the Mekong River Delta. The Mekong River is the world's most productive inland fishery. Number 7. Yellow River. The Yellow River or Huanghe is located in China. It is the second longest river in China after River Yangtze. It has a length of about 5,464 kilometers. The Yellow River starts from Bayanhar Mountains and it flows to Bohai Sea. Number 6. Ob River. The Ob River is located in Russia in western Siberia. It has a length of about 3,700 kilometers. Katun River and Bia River are its source, and it ends at Gulf of Ob and Kara Sea. The Gulf of Ob is the world's largest estuary. The river's biggest tributary is the Irtysh River, which originates in China. The Ob River provides irrigation, drinking water, hydroelectric energy, and Ob River hosts more than 50 species of fish. Number 5. Volga River. The Volga River is the longest river in Europe. It starts from Valdai Hills and flows through Central Asia to southern Russia into the Caspian Sea. It has a length of 3,531 kilometers. It is also Europe's largest river in terms of discharge basin. The Volga's drainage system includes 9 largest cities of Russia, including its capital, that is Moscow. The Volga has many tributaries. Most important are Oka, Kama, Sura, and Vetlaga. It is also regarded as the national river of Russia. The Volga has large reservoirs which provides irrigation and hydroelectric power. Number 4. Mississippi River. Mississippi is the longest river of North America. Mississippi has a length of 3,730 kilometers. Lake Itasca is its source, and it flows to Gulf of Mexico. When measured from its longest stream source, that is Brewer Spring in Monta, the Mississippi ranks as the 4th longest river with 5,790 kilometers after Nile, Amazon and Yangtze. The Mississippi is one of the most busiest commercial waterways and provides migration routes for many birds and as well as fishes. Number 3. River Yangtze. The Yangtze River is located in China. It is the longest river in Asia and the 3rd longest river in the world. It has a length of about 6,300 kilometers. It starts from Tangula Mountains in Tibetan Autonomous Region and it flows to East China Sea. The Yangtze Basin accounts for 1/5 total land area in China. The river has been used for water, irrigation, sanitation, transportation industry, boundary making, and war. Number 2. River Amazon. This river is known to everyone. The Amazon River is South America's largest river by discharge volume of water. It is the 2nd longest river in the world. It has the largest drainage system in the world in terms of volume of its flow and the area of its basin. It has a length of about 6,400 kilometers. 9 countries share the Amazon basin. That are Brazil, Peru, Bolivia, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana, Ecuador. Montaro River is the source of Amazon River and it flows to Atlantic Ocean. Amazon provides many services to humans, such as water for agriculture, transportation, and food. Amazon also provides important habitat for too many species. Number 1. River Nile. Everyone is known to River Nile. Let's go through it. The Nile is the major north-flowing river in Africa. It is the longest river in the world with a length of about 6,650 kilometers. The Nile has two major tributaries, the White Nile and the Blue Nile. Nile's basin includes parts of Tanzania, Burundi, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Kenya, Uganda, Sudan, South Sudan, Ethiopia, and cultivated parts of Egypt. Blue Nile, White Nile, and Adbara are the sources of River Nile. The river flows to the Mediterranean Sea. Today, 95% of Egyptians live within a few kilometers of Nile. Canals bring water from the Nile to irrigate farms and support cities. So friends, here is the end of the video. If you have liked my video, just hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to see more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching.